Okay, so here I called you for doing something regarding your DTP lab, desktop publishing lab, for not having any theory at all. Purely it's practical. So under this, you are going to do some exercises. The exercises are very easy for you. Okay, you don't need to enter any programming codes. You don't need to memorize anything. What here you have to do is just remember these steps. For the sake of others, I would like to say in Tamil. Okay, in the DTP desktop publishing அப்படிங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு லேப் தான் இருக்கு. This lab is valid for both BCA and BSc students. That's why I did as a joint class, combined class. Joint class பண்றதுக்கு reason அதான். So what we are going to do here, under this, there are exercises varying from MSPAINT, Photoshop, PageMaker, and what is that? CorelDRAW. Totally here we are going to use 4 softwares for doing your DTP lab. DTP lab வந்து பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு 4 சாஃப்ட்வேர் யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். Just wait, I will show the syllabus. I have given that also on the group. Apply கொடுத்திருக்கேன். As per your practical, DTP practical, you have to do some exercises. Exercise பண்ணணும். At the same time, Viva is also conducted. The examiner, coming examiner is also asking some questions related to your exercise. What you have did, how you did this, என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, எப்படி பண்ணீங்க, what are all the steps you followed, என்னென்ன steps follow பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, what software you have used, how to do this, what is the use of that. So Viva is also there, so you have to prepare that. Moreover, they can also ask questions like this: what is Photoshop, where it is used, what is the use of Photoshop, where PageMaker is used, what is the use of CorelDRAW. So questions are like this. Okay, so you have to remember this. Just I would like to show the syllabus of what is that, DTP. Rahul, just wait, mute yourself. I'm trying to show the syllabus. So see on your screen, just see there on your screen, see the nature of course. Just you wait. It's your syllabus. Have you got this on your screen? It's a skill enhancement course. So under your syllabus, the DTP is coming under skill enhancement course. So under this, you are only having practical. Skill enhancement course practical. See the syllabus. First one is the MSPAINT. Next one is the Photoshop. Are you getting the screen? Screen kadagida? Ayyo. Are you getting the screen? Hello. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first one is the MSPAINT. Second one is the Photoshop. Third one is the PageMaker. And the last one is the CorelDRAW. Okay. And final one, we have to do a little task as a project work. So it's the entire syllabus for you. So here the syllabus is given as a theory paper. Theory paper மாதிரியே தான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சிலபஸும் கொடுத்திருக்கு. You have to cover this topic. You don't need to write any examination. You have to do some exercises on the computer so that you can only work on the computer. Don't need to write anything as an examination, but you have to prepare the information regarding MSPaint, Photoshop, PageMaker, and CorelDRAW by using these informations. Okay. இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு என்ன செய்யணும், நீங்க கொஞ்சம் மெட்டீரியல்ஸை ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கணும். So what are all the exercises, sir? I already gave that exercise. Even you see on the screen. See there, lab for DTP. First one is the MSPaint. Next one is the Photoshop, PageMaker, and CorelDRAW. And the last one is the project work. By using this concept, you have to do something. First, you have to do little exercises on each topic. That means from MSPaint, Photoshop, PageMaker, and CorelDRAW. So by getting this knowledge, you have to apply a real-world application as a project work. See concept. முதல்ல சிம்பிள் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் அந்த நாலேஜ் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு ரியல் வேர்ல்ட் கான்செப்ட் எடுத்துட்டு என்ன செய்யணும், நீங்க ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் அட்டம் பண்ணி காமிக்கணும். இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிற சிலபஸ். ஃப்ரம் யுவர் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ, வாட் அபவுட் தி கொஸ்டின்? Questions are asked like this. Applying brush effect in Photoshop, design this. மேல இருக்கிற எக்ஸசைஸ்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஓகே, இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. யூ டேக் an example. See the Photoshop exercise. See there, painting tool is there. So it's the exercise. By using this painting tool concept, first you have to learn how to carry out this. Painting tool use பண்ணி எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்றதுங்கிறது முதல்ல லேர்ன் பண்ணணும். And by using that learned concept, you have to do a work. It's very simple. So I showed the syllabus. Next, we have to do something. In this demo class, I am going to explain some concept regarding MSPaint. Display options, how to zoom, how to miniature, and how to produce grid concepts, how to size and resize the image, how to utilize the tools, drawing tools that are available in MSPaint. So how to select the colors. Okay. So on your next lab, you have to carry out this. இப்போ நான் சொல்லியிருக்கிறத அடுத்த லேப்ல கேரி அவுட் பண்ணணும். See there. Okay. So now I would like to start the first exercise related to our MSPaint. MSPaint அப்படிங்கறத ரிலேட் பண்ணி ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்ம பண்ணுவோம். So here I'm going to take an image and I would like to display it on the MSPaint and trying to resize. That means either increase or decrease the size of that image. Okay, you just see on that. First I am starting. See on my lab I am using Windows 11. So depending on the computer that you are going to use, the way of invoking software will differ. Okay. So here I am just typing paint. On Windows 10 or Windows 7, there is a link. Programs, all programs. Okay. Then within that you have to select paint. Once again, I am like to share a screen. See there. Just you wait. So I started the paint by typing paint on the run command. Okay. See there. I invoked the which one? MSPAINT. Mind it, the remaining softwares. You know well what are all the software that we are going to use on DTP. So what are all them? Photoshop. That means PageMaker, CorelDRAW, MSPaint. It is not a payable software. It's an utility software that comes under with Windows. Windows உடைய சேர்ந்து வர ஒரு software தான். So we don't need to install it as a separate one. நம்ம இதை தனியா இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லை. But we have to install Photoshop, PageMaker and CorelDRAW. Okay, so as per our first exercise, now we have to work on where? Paint, MS Paint. So how to invoke that? I said we have to click the start button. Depending on the version of Windows that you are using, even that you are going to use on the computer, you have to select all programs or programs. Okay, so from that programs or all programs, you have to select Paint. Then you will get a Paint window. At the time of using, I will give a practical demo direct hint for you at the lab. Okay, so now I get what is that Paint software on the screen. So here what I am going to do is I am going to open an image and I would like to do the exercises. Resizing and sizing of images, coloring of images using different brushes. Okay, so these are all the concepts that I am going to do. First, I am opening an image. So what is this exercise? What about this exercise? This exercise is sizing an image by using MS Paint. Sizing, resizing an image by using MS Paint. It's a first exercise for you. So for that one, I am opening an image. So we need some images, stored images on the computer. Most of the computers are coming with some default images under document saved images folder. Documents saved images folder la வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா images வரும். Sample, there might be a folder like sample னு இருக்கும். அதிலே போய் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். So here I am using this image. You see? Now I opened an image, a rose picture. Okay. There I am opening a picture. What is that? Rose picture. So what I am going to do? See there? See here? There are tools. Okay, so what about this tool? You see, I'm getting a tool tip magnifier. You just press it. So while you are doing this, you will get an enlarged version of the opened image. So what it is, zooming of an image. Suppose examination, under your examination, the question is asked like this: open an image and zoom it. We have to do like this. Examination la, உங்களுக்கு question வருதுன்னு வச்சுப்போம். Just open an image in MS Paint and zoom it. Zoom பண்ணி காமி அப்படின்னு கேட்டா இதை செய்யணும். Very simple. Like that, you can also zoom it by right clicking. Left click பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? Zoom in ஆகும், magnify ஆகும். Right click பண்ணீங்கன்னா zoom out ஆயிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கும். See there? So how I am getting this zoom option from the tools? There is a magnifier icon. தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன் ஸ்கிரீன்ல பார்த்தா தெரியும். You just see on your screen. So under that magnifier icon is there. You have to press that. Then you have to either left click for zooming in, that means magnifying, and for right click for shrinking, that means zooming out. Okay, so it's a simple exercise for you, right? So next one I am going to do is I am going to display grids. What a grid is? Grid is the row and column arrangement on an image. You will get a lines grid arrangement so that it's very easy for us to draw or to narrow something on an image. கிரிட்னா என்ன? ஒரு இமேஜ்ல ரோ வைஸா காலம் வைஸா லைன்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? கிரிட்னு சொல்றோம். we are calling it as grid. ஸோ அதனுடைய யூஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஒரு இமேஜை நேரோ பண்றதுக்கு, அதை மாடிஃபை பண்றதுக்கு, ஏதாவது ஒரு போர்ஷன்ல ஒர்க் பண்றதுக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? யூஸ் ஆகும். மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தி ஆர்டிஸ்ட், okay, artists are doing this concept. First they are making a grid before drawing anything. The artists are making a grid, then on that grid they are working. கிரிட்டை வந்து மேக் பண்ணிட்டு தான் அது மேல தான் என்ன செய்ய ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க? டிரா பண்ண ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வாட் கால்ட் கிரிட். ஸோ ஹவு டு கெட் தி கிரிட்? வெரி சிம்பிள். ஜஸ்ட் யூ ஓப்பன் அன் இமேஜ் அண்ட் கோ டு வியூ மெனு. வியூ மெனுக்கு போய்க்கோங்க. தெர் இஸ் அ ஆப்ஷன் யூ see grid lines. You just press it. See on the screen, you will get a grid information. I am zooming it. Zoom பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க. There is a grid. Grid கிடைக்குது. So what is the use of this? You can make a change here. இந்த இடத்துல போயிட்டு ஏதாவது சேஞ்ச் பண்றா இருந்தா அந்த கிரிட்டை மட்டும் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So it's a use of, what is that? Grid, right? So it's a main usage of grid. Even you can also alter the size of the grid by enlarging it. See that? You will get an enlarged version of grid. So that here you can do something. You can enlarge the image or you may put other images. Right? So it's the concept of using grid. So here we completed how to zoom in, zoom out and open the image and how to use grids. Next, I am going to do very simple exercise. What is it? Resizing of an image. Now I disable the grid line so that we will get the image itself. Image மட்டும் வெச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு grid line disable பண்ணிடுறேன். Now I have to resize this image. என்ன செய்யணும்? இதை resize பண்ணணும். So how to resize the image? See there. See in the top right, sorry, bottom right corner. See there, under the bottom right corner, there is a dot. Go there and press left button of your mouse and drag it. Drag பண்ணுங்க. You will get a arrangement like this. You will get a white background. Okay, so before going to resize an image, you have to do this. So once again, I am doing this. Then just go to the bottom right. There is a dot. You just put it the mouse pointer on that. Okay, and press left button. Left button press பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Drag பண்ணுங்க. You just drag it. You will get a white background, right? Next, you have to go for an icon. See there, resize. Resize icon is there. See there, resize icon is there. You will get that icon on the toolbox. You just press it. You will get a window. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு window கிடைக்கும். So under that, there are two options. Okay, you can resize an image by percentage wise or pixel wise. You just choose the percentage wise and do something. Now I am increasing the size of the image by 150%. Okay, next I am pressing OK. See there, the image is enlarged. Okay, like that, we may also increase the size by pixel wise. See there, I am pressing this. I am giving a new value 3000. Both width and heights are changed automatically. So now what we are getting here, you will get a enlarged version of this image. Image nuடைய enlarged version நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Suppose I am shrinking the image, reducing the size of the image by giving 800 something. See there, I am get a shrinked version of that image, reduced version of the image. So this is another exercise. So far we covered 3 exercises: how to zoom in and zoom out the images, how to apply grid lines on an image, and how to resize an image. Okay, so these 3 are the first exercises you have to carry out by using MS Paint. Okay, so I would like to do one more exercise and like to complete this session. No ஒரே ஒரு exercise பண்ணிட்டு நான் வந்து complete பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So what that exercise is, you can save this. See this? You can save this modified version of this image as a file. See there? You just click the floppy icon. You'll get a save dialog box on the screen. Otherwise, you can also do save as option. So under the save as option, there are different file formats. There are different file formats, either PNG format, JPEG format, PMP picture format, GIF, and other formats. So either you can use this for saving your modified version. இதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபார்மேட்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன செய்யணும், இமேஜஸை சேவ் பண்ணணும். So what about PNG? There are different versions of pictures. Examiner can also questions like this. What is PNG? Okay, I will give the expansion on the group. Groupல வந்து இந்த picture formation உடைய expansion நான் அனுப்புறேன். Just for the sake of continuity, you just listen. Listen மட்டும் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் என்னன்னு சொல்லிடுறேன். PNG, Portable Network Graphics File. What it stands for? PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics File. Suppose you drawn an image or you produced a picture by using MSPAINT and it is used on internet. ஒரு பிக்சரை டிரா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, அதுல வந்து நெட்ல இன்டர்நெட்ல ஒரு வெப்சைட்ல யூஸ் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா எப்படி சேவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்? அதை PNG ஃபார்மேட்ல சேவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So what a PNG format is? Portable Network Graphics File. Maximum PNGs are taking minimum size. ஃபைல் சேவ் ஆகிற போது கிராஃபிக்ஸை வந்து சேவ் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி எடுத்துக்கும்? மினிமம் சைஸ் எடுத்துக்கும். PNG files are taking minimum size on the storage so that it can be easily transferred without delay on the internet. இன்டர்நெட்ல வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா வந்து டேட்டாவை டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்றதுக்கு இது யூஸ் ஆகும். Mind it, in the internet process, text is transferred fast. Text அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆயிடும். Compared with the text, image is taking timing because of the size. சைஸுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா டெக்ஸ்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப வேகமா டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகும், இமேஜ் கொஞ்சம் டிலேடா டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகும். ஸோ லைக் தட் வீடியோ இஸ் டேக்கிங் மோர் டைம் தேன் இமேஜ் அண்ட் டெக்ஸ்ட். டெக்ஸ்ட்டை விடவும் இமேஜை விடவும் வீடியோ அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப டிலேயா தான் என்ன ஆகும், டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகும். ஏன், என்ன ரீசன்? பிகாஸ் ஆஸ் அ பிக்சர் இட் டேக்ஸ் மோர் பைட்ஸ். ஸ்டோர் பண்ற போது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிக்சரை ஸ்டோர் பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய என்ன வேணும், பைட்ஸ் வேணும். இதுதான் ரீசன். ஸோ அண்டர் தட் you can store the image as PNG, Portable Network Graphics File. It is going to take minimum amount of size on the computer memory so that it can be easily transferred across the internet. Internetல ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆயிடும். Okay, then JPEG, Joint Picture Expert Group. Joint Picture Expert Group, we are saying it is where it is used. It is used on photography. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம செல்ல டிஜிட்டல் கேமராலாம் போட்டோஸ் எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, எல்லாமே எப்படி எடுத்துக்கும், ஜேபிஜியா தான் சேவ் ஆகும். We are using cell phone and digital photography, digital cameras for taking pictures. All that concepts are storing the images as JPG files. JPG file தான் ஸ்டோர் ஆகும். So in case you would like to do such a concept, photography concept within MSPAINT, you want to print a photo, you want to print your work as a photo. நீங்க உங்களுடைய ஒர்க்கை போட்டோ பிரிண்ட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்கன்னா என்னவா சேவ் பண்ணணும், ஜேபிஜியா. PMP, bitmap image. It's a default picture format of Windows operating system. Windows operating system தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ அதுல default picture format வந்து எப்படி ஸ்டோர் ஆகும், PMP. Then GIF. Okay, it's a animated picture file. Animations வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த நெட்ல எல்லாம் ஆட் வரும். Okay, so the ad is produced by using this. GIF is used for doing banners. Banners produce பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். Okay, banners with animation. So these are all the options the MSPAINT is producing, even providing us for saving our new concept. So you have to select either one of these formats. Suppose I am selecting PNG, you can save this work as a PNG file. See there, you will get a save dialog box with PNG as the default data type. That means a saving type. Okay, you just save it. That's all. Even you can also produce text. text வந்து நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Here you can produce text. The text is showing what the kind of drawing it is. So what is there, what you have drawn there. Even you may produce the information like this, designed by putting your name. So under that you can use what is that, text concepts. Text concepts நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so here we covered these three informations. So far we have seen what are all them, how to resize the image and how to zoom an image, open the image, and the next thing, how to save the files in different file formats. It's very easy for you. Okay, it's very easy for you. So working with DTP is very easy for you. See there, my drawing can also produce text like this. Okay, so these are all the information you have to know. The information உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். So in our next demo class, in next direct class on lab, we'll do the remaining with MSPAINT. Then we'll do Photoshop concepts. So I got even I think you will get a little bit idea about DTP lab. In our next session, we'll do the remaining. அடுத்த செஷன்ல நம்ம மிச்சத்தை பார்ப்போம். Okay, students. So here I would like to wind up this session. I already recorded your attendance. The attendance is recorded while you are entering into the session. Session குள்ள வந்த உடனே உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆயிடும், உங்களுடைய attendance இங்க நான் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். I will produce it on group. So in our next direct meet on lab or in online, we'll do the remaining. Follow this instruction and do the lab better. Thank you all. One by one quit பண்ணிடுங்க. Quit one by one. Thereafter I will coach. You just leave one by one.